All right, there it is. Bag secured. So what am I doing? I'm going home. I finally found the time. And it actually took a really long time, but I just got the fastest MacBook I can, and I'm excited I did because now we're gonna have a lot less issues with the stream. I'm gonna get some WD-40 to fix those chairs. I had time today. We got a lot of videos. We had a lot of stuff to stream. I still have some stuff I want to talk about. I might stream even when I get home. You guys could even help me set this shit up. But I want to talk about kind of just, I'm gonna go this way actually. We're gonna hit up this way. I want to talk about everything that's going on, what we're gonna be doing, you know, free stock trading course, but now taking it to the next level. I have some updates. I want to talk about the YouTube stream and what we're trying to do here. We're gonna have a Reddit. Some people have asked about the Discord. I want to give an update on the scholarships, and even before I do anything, I'm just gonna say thank you, you guys, because that's the, you know, why I'm dropping money on this computer. I'm spending time on this stuff, and you know, the reason is because I have a vision with it, and I could already see where this is going. And you know, you guys, honestly, the fact that I'm seeing, you know, it's awesome to see people just as committed as I am to this. You guys are waking up with me, and you know, you guys are being there. You're spending the time, and you're being respectful, you know, of my time, everybody else's time. You guys are contributing stuff, and I know we all have our differences. I'm not an easy person to work with at first, and some of you guys aren't as well too. But you know, we take, you know, as you see, I'm hearing you guys out on these changes. Where did I get WD-40? I gotta find WD-40. I don't even know where I'm going right now. But you know, we're gonna make these changes and make it better, hopefully, for everybody. And I kind of want to just explain, you know, I've talked about on stream the goal of the YouTube channel and in these live streams every day, so you guys can know how to get in part, how you guys are gonna start learning. I'm working on stuff to get it more organized and efficient, and you know, have it for, you know, because there's a lot of videos, but even then, I want to make it simply how it's going to work. You know, I want you guys to come on the YouTube. We have the stream, and well, let me tell you guys the first thing I need. I need moderators. So that is something oh man, I can't go there. You know, I need moderators essentially, because you know, I think I only have 1 or 2 moderators in there now. They're also traders. They're in the TTF. You know, one of them's Conroy. He's trading, you know, a multi-million-dollar account, and you know, I'm not trading all of it, but you know, he's handling big stuff. So he's not always gonna have the time to be there. He has his other real estate business and stuff like that he has to get to. So we can't reasonably expect that. Same thing with me, and you know, I want to make sure that the culture, the chat, everything stays the same. So I need moderators. Now, here's the thing though. If you want to moderate, you can't be somebody who's biased. Really, I don't want people, you know, I moderated people and I unmoderated them when we had a lot of people, just because I don't want people to ban people. It's hard to say we need moderators when we want to have the rules. And really, I just think anything that you guys know it's toxic, if it's people bragging about everything from money to just really just saying anything just super negative, or just, you know, anything distracting everybody. But that's the same thing. It's like, I don't want moderators who, if people come and ask a question where you are going to make it, you know, say, oh, you should be smarter than that, you should do this. No, we want it to be open and accepting. And what I'm saying here is that that's the point with this stream, is like, I've had experience doing a lot of the education stuff. We've got to go private. We have the free stock trading course. We had the paid course. You know, we've had people, you know, we've had small groups and big groups, and really, we've told people, no, only do this. We want it to be accepting. That's the thing. That's it. People are coming to this stream for various reasons. Some people are listening to this in the morning on their way to work. Some people are using this as news. Some people are trading. So, but either way, we want it to be respectful. So that is hopefully the benefit for all sides, where everybody understands, hey, you come here for your purpose, and you guys, I'm asking you to hold it down. But pretty much, I want the moderators just to take anything really over the top, extreme, anything that's on the level of just harassment. You know, if it's off topic, like extremely off topic, or just not really productive, or you know, some of what we do. But I don't want guys who get offended easily personally, or if you have really strong views about the markets or stocks and you're gonna get offended at people and you just don't like certain people. No, you know, I want it to be friendly. I really do. And you know, especially coming from someone who's not that friendly sometimes. You guys have seen me. We need that balance in there. So like I said, the stream is for everybody to come. You know, I've said it's like the Greek forum and stuff like that, and this is where people can engage. It doesn't matter if you're rich, poor, if you are a trader, not trader, this, you come here. I think everybody's opinion should be respected. People should, you know, it's a place where people can even learn. You know, I want you guys to learn how to communicate, to express your ideas, and again, that's what I'm saying. Thank you for everybody, you know, even when we could talk about politics, this and all that, just, you know, everybody understanding the goal and being able to do that, it's awesome, and I love it. So there's that. Now, the next thing is the Reddit. I'm going to post the link below. We're going to need moderators for that, but here's my vision and what my plan, and this is what I'm saying. For you guys, this Reddit will become another way for, you know, information to be presented. I think it's going to be honestly a higher level Wall Street bets. That's what I'm thinking, but on a bigger level. So really now what we're going to have, and why I chose Reddit and YouTube, and I want you guys to understand this, it's the type of platforms and the type of audience. You know, we don't want schmucks. I don't want people. YouTube is for people who come to learn things. You know, people are Googling and how to figure out stuff. Reddit is a smarter, you know, it's smarter, nerdier people. That's, you know, that's really who most of us are. But at the same time, I'm a frat boy at heart too. At the same, it's not like I don't know how to have fun. You know, I worked in the music industry, all sorts of stuff. So we have a very, you know, that's me, and we have such a diverse group. I'm sticking to these platforms because they're very intellectual based. Fact, you know, I think it's the same type of people. So, but now here's the thing, YouTube is going to be now live. You know, YouTube live throughout the trading days. Everybody could come to the YouTube. You will still be able to use the Reddit, but now that's going to be a live chat room. It's going to be active, and then by having the Reddit, it's going to be a place where we will have a chat room even on the Reddit. It could be after hours, but then it also gives a place for people to post, share ideas, plays, their successes, stories, and interact on different levels. And I think that's going to be fun. So I'm going to need moderators for that. So again, if any of you have experience with this stuff, and really I'm looking for the people who've been to the stream. I'm not, if you're random, I don't know you, I don't know, you know, how to get on. If you guys want to know the application process to be a mod, just come to the stream. If I see you every day and I get to know you, that's good. So there's that. Now, as for the pledge class and scholarships, I need to talk about this. I've kind of explained it, but I think, you know, we need to make it very, very clear for everybody, just because I've been seeing it. I'm glad, you know, I'm glad I made the decision with everything I did with the pledge class and all that, because I'm seeing, you know, people who are active, who aren't active. We've got to see, I think people have got to make money, lose money. They've gotten over the honeymoon period, and we're seeing how it is, but seeing how things are going in the time, and again, all this stuff we're offering, and I don't want people to get distracted. I think people are getting distracted from the wrong things with the scholarship, and I don't want, it's hard to give people tasks and stuff to do all this, so pretty much there's not going to be any more scholarships. We're going to have all of these free resources and have all this stuff available. I'm not going to be giving any scholarships at all. You know, maybe at one point in the future, but for now, you know, because again, I don't want you guys to spend the time working for, just go get a job. I think that would be a better lesson, and really it comes down, you know, more people were concerned with what they could do. Even I saw in the videos, they were just looking for the task. It's crazy because I saw people complete the tasks and they weren't even, you know, they were doing it for the scholarship, and then people who didn't want a scholarship were paying more attention. So, you know, it's kind of weird to me, but that, I just wanted to give an update on that. There's not really much to talk about with that, but hopefully you guys see, I think it's fair. You know, it's not like you guys are getting cut out of any learning. It's not like anything else has changed on it. It's just kind of the motivation and, you know, what we want and expect from that. But it's the focus. But now we're going to have these resources. But yeah, so this is the stuff I need help with. You guys see the chat. I want you guys to keep it up. We're going to have an awesome chat or stream on Monday. It's been doing good. And why I'm saying this is because I want to start expanding things. I want to start switching things up. You guys have, if you have recommendations now, we're going to do an overlay. If you have any recommendations, let us know. But and again, you know, we're going to take, everything is going to be slow and steady. So if you give a recommendation, you know, we want to do everything collectively, what makes sense. You got, you know, we have different goals. Some of you have different goals as well too, but slow in time and whatever makes sense. But like I said, we're patient. As long as the core, every day we're getting out there and able to do it, it's awesome. And you guys help, you know, do your part, support, tell friends, you guys be active in the chat. Any sort of engagement helps, but even then it helps to grow it, but at the same time it helps me out. It helps me to keep, you know, it's funny because people are like, dude, keep this up, this and that. I'm telling you guys the same thing, because it's good to hear from you guys and seeing that this is actually helpful in big quantities. You know, it gets me excited for the future, that I didn't think there's that many people out there. Isn't that kind of crazy? I understand a lot with scale and the size and the internet and all that, but it's good. So, but even then, thank you guys, and I want to make sure we keep this up. But also too, at this time in the month and this time of the year, you know, I said the New Year's resolutions fade, and the market's been bouncing, and there's so much confusion and success, failure, all this at the same time. I want to make sure we just keep this up. You know, this is where people fall off and do their thing, but that's not going to really happen here. So I want to make sure that we're ready to go, that we have our feet planted, and that you guys know what the point of this is, and also a welcome to everybody else to come on. You know, stop playing around and share this with everybody, because the more we're able to do, we're going to disrupt the industry. And even then, you guys, hopefully you see why I like this is information. I'm making money, you guys are making money, you're calling plays, but now we're having the fact that this is a free chat room, and we're keeping it cool, and everybody's coming here. It's not denying anybody, from the smartest to the dumbest people, from the richest to the poorest. That is information, and if you guys see, man, it's really cool. And I'm telling you guys, it's going to be awesome. So I think I'm blessed to be able to provide it. I think all of you guys are blessed to. I'm blessed to have you guys. That's what I'm saying. This is it's just a big collective team effort, and I'm excited to where it's going to go. So yeah. I got that computer, I got some other stuff to do, I got more investments to make with this, and you guys do too, your time. I want to see people shine from this and see how this is helping you guys, and you know, yeah, let me know what else. I think that's pretty much it. But if you guys want to learn, get ready come Monday. Let me know what other resources you guys would like us to provide, myself. Let me know what you could provide. Check out the $5, the free, most expensive course. Yeah. That's pretty much it. I need water. I love you guys. I'm so excited. All right, I'm going to set this up and I'm going to get y'all. Peace.